Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cash out. How long does Fliff take to cash out? So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Fliff app, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply log into your account by filling up your credentials like your username and password. And once you are logged into your account, you'll be landing on your home screen, which looks something like this on your screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon right here. Now once here, you will be sent to the redeem Fliff Cats option, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is check to see if you have the available balance to redeem or not, as the minimum balance is $50. So check to see if you have balance that is more than $50. Now you can see here the Fliff cash amount is right here, and then the available to redeem balance is shown right here. Now under it, you'll find the price redemption methods, which are instant bank transfer, Skrill, or standard bank transfer. Now the instant bank transfer is the fastest, or if you don't have the instant bank transfer, you can use scroll option or standard bank transfer option. Now once you have selected your option, all you gotta do is just simply follow the on-screen instructions to successfully redeem or send or withdraw your cash to your bank by straight from the Fliff. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.